Ivanka Trump accused of refusing to hand over documents in Trump Organization fraud case. The ongoing legal battle between the Trump family and the state of New York has taken a new turn, with the state attorney general accusing Ivanka Trump of failing to turn over documents as required by the discovery phase of the Trump Organization's civil fraud lawsuit. According to a court filing by the Attorney General's team, Ms. Trump's legal team has largely stopped turning over documents, particularly email communications sent between 2014 to 2017. Although her team initially provided thousands of emails covering the first 9 months of 2014, the number reportedly dwindled to a few dozen per month by the end of 2016. When questioned about this, Ms. Trump's legal team provided no substantive answer, according to the filing. The judge in the case has granted the Attorney General's motion to order Ms. Trump's team to submit affidavits describing their process for providing documents to state authorities. Repercussions of a ruling against the Trump Organization. The civil fraud lawsuit seeks to bar the Trump Organization from doing further business in the state of New York, which would have major consequences for the company, which still has numerous properties in the Empire State. Although this is a civil case, it is just one of several legal battles faced by the Trump family. The former president is currently facing criminal prosecution in Manhattan, and Fulton County, Georgia, is nearing a decision on whether Mr. Trump or members of his 2020 campaign legal team will face separate criminal charges in that state. If the Attorney General's efforts to bar the Trump Organization from doing business in the state of New York are successful, it could deal a significant blow to the family's business interests. Ivanka Trump's defense against accusations of failing to produce documents. Ms. Trump's legal team has claimed that there has been no lack of diligence and no stonewalling. The accusations from the Attorney General's office that documents have not been produced in a timely fashion have been met with protestations from Ms. Trump's team. Despite this, the judge in the case has granted the Attorney General's motion, which requires Ms. Trump's team to submit affidavits describing under threat of perjury their process for providing documents to state authorities. It remains to be seen how this will affect the ongoing legal proceedings against the Trump Organization and its owners. Conclusion. The ongoing legal battles against the Trump family continue, with the latest development being accusations from the Attorney General of the state of New York that Ivanka Trump has refused to produce documents in a timely fashion in the Trump Organization's civil fraud lawsuit. This is just one of several legal challenges faced by the Trumps, including a criminal prosecution of the former president in Manhattan and a potential criminal case against him or members of his campaign legal team in Fulton County, Georgia. If the Attorney General's efforts to bar the Trump Organization from doing business in the state of New York are successful, it could have significant repercussions for the family's business interests. The ongoing legal drama shows no signs of abating, and the future remains uncertain for the Trump family.